So guys, today we have a mobile Realme 11 Pro 5G. This one water damage mobile, so today we fix. So first of all, we open this mobile, open from back side like that. Open, and after unbolt all screw. This one water damage, you can check water here coming on main board, also coming. So first of all, we disconnect its battery and all connector and clean it. गाइस इसका जो स्ट्रिप्स हैं all strips disconnected, and after disconnecting all connector, and we uninstall its PCB board, main board. We remove this board and also cameras, and this one also all strip removed, connected, and after we remove its sub PCB, and you can check here water also coming these connectors, and you can check. First of all, we clean, wash it board. ये इसका सब PCB है, तो सबसे पहले तो हम इसको क्लीन करेंगे. After that, we clean its main PCB. जो सारे कनेक्टर हैं इसको अच्छी तरह क्लीन करेंगे. इनमें पानी गया हुआ है, तो ज़्यादा ज़ोर से ब्रश भी नहीं लगाना इस पर, बाज़ दफ़ा ये डैमेज भी हो जाते हैं.
Now this another website.